Hello everyone, and today I'm going to share with you all this really beautiful Eid makeup look. So let's get started. So first, here I'm applying some lip balm. I've already done my skincare. I've prepped my skin, applied some moisturizer. So now I'm going to take this Studio Finish primer by Swiss Beauty. It's their matte and poreless primer. I have oily skin type, so I tend to go for the primers that blur out my pores and give me a matte finish. And with that, my skin is all prepped for the next step, that is going to be the foundation. Here I've taken the Airbrush Finish Foundation by Swiss Beauty. The shade will be mentioned on the screen, and here I've taken 2 pumps on each side, and I'm gonna spread the foundation with the help of a foundation brush first and apply it on all over my face, forehead, the nose and the chin area as well, like this. And later on I'll be blending it with the beauty sponge. As you all can see, I've taken a brush first to apply the foundation so that I can get more coverage out of it, and later on I'll be going in with the beauty blender to make sure that everything is nice and blended. We need to ensure that our base looks seamless. Also, don't forget to blend the foundation with the hairline near the forehead. Do not forget to apply on your neck as well. Many people forget to do this. Next, I'm going in with the concealer. This is the Swiss Beauty concealer, and I believe this is in the shade 02 Light Moyen. I'm applying it on the usual areas to highlight my under eye region, the forehead, the nose and the chin area as well. Next, using my concealer brush, I'm going to blend all of the concealer that I've applied on the usual areas where I generally apply my concealer, and make sure that everything is nice and blended with my foundation. Up next, I'm going in with my Mars translucent setting powder. I've taken some on the lid and I'm applying it on the places where I applied the concealer. Basically, here I'm setting my entire face with the powder. And can you all see how beautifully this powder has set my entire face? Now I'm going to fill in my brows using the Maybelline brow pencil, and here I'm brushing out my brows and I'm gonna fill in the sparse areas like this. An additional step I'm doing here is to clean my brows. This will give my brows a very nice arched shape, and overall they'll look really clean and appear in a very good shape. The remaining concealer I've applied on my eyelids like this, and now I'm gonna set my lids with the powder as well. For the eyes, today I've taken the Forever 52 Diamond Dust palette. Here I'm taking this brown shade and I'm gonna place this on the outer corner of my eyes and the inner corner. Basically, today I'm going in for a halo eye look, and then I'm gonna blend this brown eyeshadow like this. Further, I'm taking a mix of brown and black like this to deepen the outer and inner corner. A tip I would like to give here is to always take your time while blending, because that is what makes the eye look stand out. So if you don't blend your eyeshadow well, it won't look that great on the eyes. Taking a shimmer shade from my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna pat it to the center of my eyelids. Next, I've taken a mix of these two colors and I'm gonna place it on the outer edge like this. Now I'm making sure that everything is nice and blended on both the eyes. Here I'm intensifying the shimmer shade a bit because I felt that it's less, and I don't know, tell me how much shimmer is too much shimmer. So yes, I later on applied eyeliner, a wing eyeliner like this, only on the outer corners and inner corners, and then taking my eyelash curler, I'm gonna curl my lashes. After curling my lashes, I'm going in with my Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and I'm gonna apply mascara onto my lashes like this to lift them up. And I feel it is one of the best affordable mascaras. So if you are a beginner and you want to add a good mascara to your kit, then this is the one you should go for as a beginner. Next, I have taken a beige eye pencil. This is from Mars, and this is looking stunning with this eye look, and I'm loving beige eye pencils these days. Then I'm going in with the Maybelline eye pencil in black, and I'm applying it onto the lower lash line like this, and I'm gonna smoke it out using a brown eyeshadow that I used on my eyes as well. Then I'm dusting off the excess translucent powder under my eyes. After that, I'm taking my Mars blusher and highlighter palette. Taking this highlighter shade, I'm gonna highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. After that, I'm taking this blusher shade, mixing in with the light brown one and applying this onto my cheeks, nose and some on chin as well. Then I've taken Nika K Contour Duo palette and taking the lighter brown shade, I'm contouring my nose with the help of my fingers. Fingers work the best for me in this case. Then using a brush, I'm blending everything out. Again, using the same highlighter shade, I am highlighting the high points of my face like this. And here we come to the lips. For that, I'm taking Maybelline lipstick. This is their ultimate lipstick. The shade will be mentioned on the screen. Then again, I'm taking a clean foundation brush and patting it onto my face to make sure everything is nice and blended. After that, last step, I'm gonna take my makeup fixer. This is by Swiss Beauty, and I'm spritzing this onto my face. And with that, we are finally done with this Eid makeup look. Do let me know your thoughts on the makeup and especially the hair as well, because today I've applied pasa to really get into that Eid vibe. And like, share and comment if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.